Hey, what's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. This is DC May 522, and today I am going to be showing you how to make black pepper shrimp lo mein. Today I'm trying somewhat of an Asian dish. I got this recipe from this book right here. It's one of those Wegman's recipe books, I guess. This is the dish I'm going to be making today, or showing you all. Yeah, so I'm excited to show you all and teach you all how to make this because it's bomb. It's bomb. It turned out pretty good, I'm gonna say that, okay? So first things first, let's go through the ingredients. We have one packet of lo mein noodles. There are 3 in the pack, but I only use 2 packs. So we have one 16-ounce package of raw, peeled and deveined large shrimp, and you want them thawed and drained. So when you see me put the shrimp in the bowl, you see water coming out with it. That is not the water from the ice that was on the shrimp. I actually thawed the shrimp out, rinsed them off with cold water, and I put them back in the bag for aesthetics for the show. And I had to pour it out, and then, you know, water came out. So it's just water. It's not gonna kill you, it's just water. A teaspoon of salt. A teaspoon of minced garlic, 2 tablespoons of olive oil or extra virgin olive oil, a teaspoon of ginger, minced ginger or ginger paste, 1 12-ounce packet of a stir fry blend, a half a cup of vegetable broth or vegetable stock, 1.5 cups of black pepper sauce, and then you want green onions for garnish. So those are the ingredients. Simple ingredients. You can find most of them, you know, at your local grocery store. But that black pepper sauce, I've only seen it at Wegman's, so you might want to check that out. It's pretty good. Add your shrimp, salt, garlic, ginger to a bowl, mix well, and then you want to cover it and let that marinate for 15 minutes. So while your shrimp is marinating for the 15 minutes, you want to start up a pot of boiling water to add your ramen noodles, to add your lo mein noodles to. Yeah, so they only take approximately 1 minute to cook, so it's pretty fast. You don't want to step away too long because you don't want your noodles to become like mushy. So that's that. Now drizzle oil around the sides of your pan and tilt the pan to coat evenly, heating on high until oil faintly smokes. Next, add your raw shrimp to the hot pan, stirring frequently. You want to cook this shrimp for at least 2 minutes, and once the shrimp are cooked, you want to remove them from the wok. Add the remaining oil and stir fry blend. Cook, stirring for 2 to 3 minutes. Now you want to add 1/4 cup of the stock or broth that you have. Cook, stirring it for 1 minute. Now add your shrimp, the remaining stock or broth, your cooked noodles, And then you want to add your black pepper sauce, your 1.5 cups of black pepper sauce. Look at that shit right there. Oh, when you get to stirring this all up, you want to, like, you know, combine it all together and let it cook for at least 1 minute or until the sauce thickens up. And it should start to look like this. That looks good, don't it? Now let's plate it up. Look at that. Does that not look good to you or what? I mean, if you don't eat shrimp, man, I'm sorry. I don't know what you... I just don't know what to say, but pretty much layer it up. And then you want to take your green onion and you can chop it up with a knife. I usually take some kitchen shears or some scissors and just slice right over top of my dish. And this is how it looks at the end. Yeah, let me tell you, I had no idea this dish was going to turn out the way it did. It tasted like I ordered something from the carryout. I mean, look at this. I'm all about what I see. It pulls me in, and then I have to, whatever I make has to be as close to looking like this as possible. Now, I can get it to look like that, but tasting, I mean, it can look like that all day long, but it might not taste like anything. So it was so good that I forgot to record myself doing the taste test, but I have, I'm going to do that right now. But this dish is going down in the books because it's really good and it's simple, fast, and easy. So let's get to tasting. All right, guys, this is the dish. Let's taste the noodle. Okay. Wow. That's really good. It's really freaking good, man. Let's taste the shrimp. I'm telling you. I'm not saying that you won't ever call the Chinese restaurants again, but you probably call them less often if you make this. So, all right, guys. Excuse me. All right, y'all. That is it for today. Hey, make sure you like, give this video a thumbs up, comment. Let me know what are some of your favorite Asian dishes, and subscribe if you haven't already, okay? And share this video. That's it. Till next time, I'll see you later.